in order for a person to receive a compassionate release, you have to have extraordinary and compelling reasons. They can't be a danger to the community or to any other person. And the judge has to consider their sentencing factors in order to determine whether to reduce their sentence. There are regulations around this, and regulations for extraordinary and compelling reasons include the person being sick and unable to take care of their daily living, or them having a pandemic in the prison and the prison being unable to handle it. And also if they have a loved one who is sick on the outside and the inmate is the only available caregiver for that loved one. Also things like a child being sick or the child's other caregiver being sick or unable to do their job or even pass away. The family relationships that involve sickness might be available for compassionate release. Change in laws might be available for compassionate release. A person who being the victim of abuse by a guard, or a warden, or someone can be an appropriate person for a compassionate release, and things that are similar to that. That's the first one. Then the second and third one is the person a danger to the community. And the third one is, should we use our discretion to reduce this person's sentence? Those are the same factors that the judge uses when the person is getting sentenced. So for that, you look at 3553A, and that basically means what sort of person are we dealing with, what sort of case are we dealing with, what sort of sentence is appropriate for society, and does this promote respect for the law? So you have to look at how long they've been in prison, what sort of things they've done in order to better themselves, have they been taking classes, what is their plan on when they get out, what sort of support network do they have, and ultimately, should the court use their discretion in order to reduce their sentence?